To create a new connector with UKG Ready, open the magic link provided. A pop-up window will appear. Click on Allow and Continue. This will prompt you to enter a UKG Ready domain name. To get this, visit the UKG Ready website, click on the URL tab, and select the section just before TA and after HTTPS. Copy this and paste it into the provided prompt. Click Connect. The system will now ask for a UKG Ready company short name. To find this, go back to the UKG Ready website. Navigate to the settings, then to the global setup, and finally to the company setup. This will open the UKG Ready company setup. Click on Company Info to open the Company Info section. Scroll down to the Company Address section and copy the company short name. Paste it into the provided prompt and click Connect. Next, the system will ask for the UKG Ready API key. To get this, return to the UKG Ready website, open the settings, and click on Company Settings. This will open the company setup. Click on Login Config. Scroll down to the API key section. If there is no key, you can click Generate to create one. If there are existing integrations using this key, do not click on Generate. In order to get the API key, click on the I and copy this API key. Paste it into the provided prompt and click Connect. The system will now prompt for the UKG Ready API user credentials. To get these, visit the website, go to the Settings, then to the Profile Policies, and scroll down to the Security. Create a new security profile by clicking on the New Security Profile button and enter an appropriate security profile name. Now, give appropriate access. Go to Global tab and Global Setup. Find company EINs, cost center definitions, and leave of absence, custom fields definitions. Select View for them. Scroll to Object Lists and select company EINs, cost centers, leave of absence categories, and pay period profiles. Go to the Payroll tab. Find the Payroll section. Click Create Edit Payroll. View/Edit/Add next to Payroll Adjustment and select Payroll Prep Process. Go to the HR tab, find Employee section, and locate Base Compensation. Select View from the drop-down menu. Find Benefit Management Plans. Select View, find Cost Centers. Select View, find Total Compensation. Select View. Under Leave of Absence Management near the bottom, select Manage Requests. Go to Modules. Scroll to REST API Resources. Select Employee Demographics, Employee HR Custom Fields, Employee Profiles, Employee Pay Information, and Employees Now. Click on Save to save the settings. Next, we need to create a new service account. To create a new service account, go to the Settings, go to the Global Setups and click on the Company Setup. Go to the Edit tabs, go to the available windows. Scroll down to select the service accounts, then drag and drop this to the top. Click Save. Go back and go to the Login config. Add a new service account here and enter appropriate credentials. Select the security profile that was just created by clicking on the magnifying glass. Go to the Account Access. Click on the magnifying glass and select the one with all company employees and click Save. Now, go back to Magic Link pop-up and add your credentials there. Click Connect. A successful connection will be established.